Hi, everybody. I am so excited. Why? I'm going to be hosting a Google Hangout. I call it a Hang-N-R with three really important people, movers and shakers in the industry. I'm going to introduce you to them in a minute. If you ever share videos, I mean ever, even one, you need to be on this live Hangout starting tomorrow, Tuesday, at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to be on 15 minutes before. She can just get right on there and just be there. That's all I have to say. Just be there. I'm going to try to keep this as short as possible, but I want to introduce you to the people and also tell you where to find the Hangout, okay? So I'm going to share my screen real quick, and I'm going to introduce to you the people who are going to be involved. That's Austin, but I want to show you on here. Okay, so this is Austin Zuloff. He is a grandmaster in ViewTracker. It's going to be ViewTracker and the Buzz Media Extravaganza. If you're not using videos in your marketing, you are totally missing out. And he is a grandmaster. That's one of the top positions in the company, and he's going to be explaining everything you need to know about ViewTracker. Next, we have Mark Henderson, who's from the Buzz Media. OMG! I'm going to show you in the Hangout what Buzz Media can do, or he'll show you if he knows how to use Google Hangouts. I'm not sure. However, we're going to show you what Buzz Media can do for your business. You got to be there. And last but not least, my love, Kathy Keene, a.k.a. for me, Kit Kat, and she is a social media monster. She's a social media diva, and she's going to share some tips on how to use social media properly. You're going to have an opportunity to ask any questions that you want. They're going to be here for Q&A, and that's about it. So I'm going to get back on here. And if you don't know, well, you see me on the screen anyway. So just be there. If you've ever shared videos before in your entire life, your dog Fifi, you need to be on here. You don't have to be in a network marketing company. You could be just Joe Schmo, Mary Jane. It doesn't matter. Video sharing is something that you can actually pay your car notes on. You know, you can actually pay your bills. I know what it feels like. I'm in the position where it feels like what am I going to do? What am I going to do? Because my paycheck is not making it. And because I got in touch with these wonderful people, I'm creating extra income for myself. And you can do the same. It doesn't matter what you do. So I hear a lot of people say, I'm not really quite sure I can do this. You can do it. You can do it. I hear people say, I don't know why I would need ViewTracker. I already have YouTube. Let me tell you something. YouTube is not going to pay you anything close to what ViewTracker is. Okay? So you need to be on this Hangout. Again, it's tomorrow, Tuesday, at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll meet you there. I hope to see you. Take care.